When women support each other, incredible things happen. Hi, I'm Prem Sai, a mind transformation coach. I take great pride and pleasure to welcome Sweta Patel on Enhanced Life Skill platform Be My Guest series. Sweta is an author of an amazing book, Mama's Mission Slim Possible, which is now available in Amazon. Sweta has masters in pharma and PhD in clinical research. She also has experience working in regulatory affairs and medical writing. She is a beautiful mom of a 2-year-old baby girl. Hi, Shweta. How are you doing?
Hello, ma'am. Thank you so much. I'm doing great. Um,
Can you say something about your this great book and what inspired you to write this book? And tell us about so that our viewers would also understand about how did you start this journey to write this book on such a topic?
yeah. My journey starts with when I have given birth to my daughter. The life changed drastically after that, and every new mom can relate with my every single word. So, and after that, I overcome those challenges, fight it a lot, and then find out a solution which lend which allowed me to do something for the others. Then I started helping others, just like weight management and emotional management and everything, to my friends, family, and relatives. Thereafter, I come with an idea like I need to reach more and more mothers and help them. So this book come out, and I decided to write this book called Mama's Mission Slim Possible. And this book is more and more about, I can say, a mental guide for a new mother rather than a regular diet or exercise book. We all know what we need to do for losing weight, but where we fall back is just on the mental level. So I tried uh, just packaging all those things completely from step 1 to step 6. Like what all are the few steps, mindfulness steps we need to take care of those so that our physical world and our emotional world can also get balanced.
True, very true.
And that's all about that.
Congratulations for this book, Shweta. And I really like the title of the book because I've always said that Mama's Mission Slim Possible. I mean, what an amazing title that you have thought of about this book. And so further to take this conversation is why is it important for a new mother or a new mom to get into that fitness level? I mean, why it is important and what happens if we do not take care of it? And so if you can just talk about that. You can just talk about your story that definitely was it an organic process that you immediately after your pregnancy you jumped into this fitness, or something happened and because of which uh, you took that path? So what exactly the that part of the story, please tell us.
Yes. Actually, during pregnancy, I gained hardly 12 kg of weight. But in totality, I can say I was, when I conceived, I was 60 kg, and after that, I reached 73 or nearby. So after that physical appearance, I can say it was started affecting my stamina, my energy levels, and even I started feeling very low emotionally as well. And when I'm not able to do my own work, own task, which I used to do very actively before pregnancy or even before marriage, I used to manage every single thing all alone. We used to, like, before, after marriage also, I used to work like 9 to 5 after taking care of home, husband, everything, in-laws. Like, now a phase has come, like I cannot even lift my baby. Even 5 minutes, I cannot stand straight. My backache started having, and so many little things I started facing. And yes, definitely a breakthrough has come when people started just putting cheese on the top of it. They started criticizing, oh my god, where is Shweta? They used to ask my husband or my mom-in-law, like, where is Shweta auntie? Mama says, ye to khadi hai. So they used to, oh my god, Shweta, what happened to you? You have changed drastically. So that was the phase. Like, I was feeling like, so, physically even I'm not good enough to do any task, and externally people also started saying everything, and even at home also sometimes my husband also used to say, yaar kitni moti ho gayi ho, you used to look very slim earlier na. So before and after comparison take me to that level ki nahi yaar, this is the time and I need to work upon it. And I always say this to everyone, even I also believe, like body is our first home. If we are not taking care of that home, then how can we take care of another home? So it's a whole and soul our responsibility. See, obesity, I can say it is the root factor of so many diseases, we all know.
Yeah, true.
So likewise we need to just this is the very important thing ki chalo theek hai, pregnancy ke time we have that priority to nurture our baby. We need to sometimes we need to neglect our own shapes and everything, but after that, that phase has gone. Now we can regain or everything whatever we have lost.
So what was that breakthrough? I mean, ये क्या suddenly हो गया या कुछ महीने के बाद हुआ कि पता?
Yes, definitely. I was struggling to ask this question to what is the right time to start for exercise? When can I go to the gym? And I used to think, when can I ask the silly question to my doctors? No, then might not be the good person to ask this. So who will answer it? I used to Google a lot, or whenever, wherever that parenting apps, and I used to post and get the answer, but haven't got anything. So as our mothers and granny used to say, ki, let the 6 months go by and then do anything, whatever you need to. So I
At
just
the right time. Yeah, I can relate it to this, Shweta,
yeah.
because I am also a mom of, going to be teen boy. He is 12 years now. Just we celebrated his 12th birthday on last December. And the next birthday would be the first, entering to the teen. And I still remember, and if anyone would go to my, website or my Facebook page, that is Enhanced Life Skill Platform, anyone would find the kind of transformation I have gone through. And I still remember, if I flash back, the first year immediately after my delivery, and I had a cesarean section. So ye hua tha, like, very subtly, and I think every woman who would be going through or watch this video would relate to that. uh, After marriage or maybe after childbirth, very subtly this thing shift, and then you even do not realize that you start neglecting. I think I also I fell into that trap, and I didn't realize. And then within a 1.5 year, you name it, Shweta, and I'm telling you, I had a deficiency of that. You name it. You name a vitamin D, I had a deficiency. You name hemoglobin, I had a hemoglobin of, the level of 6 or 7. Just imagine with that. Uh, I mean, at times what happens, we women, we are not aware of many things, right? It's all about ki chalo pad liya, naukri kar liya, but the basic fundamental things are missing in our life. And then what happens, it messes out a lot, because the moment we enter to a responsibility world, no, to a world of marriage relationship, where you take care of yourself, and then you take care of others as well, because you are adding more relationship to your after this marriage, right? So you have to be very aware about how you can take care of yourself, and at the same time you can also be responsible enough to take care of others as well. So in this of my experience, within 2 years I had messed up with my spine, and then I had a disc prolapse. And so why I am talking about this is because I want women should at least learn from others mistakes, rather than they making this mistake. It's better to learn from other mistakes, because that's how I messed up with 3, 4, or 5 years. And then from that disc prolapse to be a yoga practitioner now, I practice a advanced level of yoga. It was not an easy journey. So इससे पहले कि सही हो सब कुछ and you maintain that, it is much more easier, isn't it, Shweta? I think you would agree with this, rather than messing it with and then उसको फिर से ठीक करना. So it is a हर कोई उसको bounce back करके आ नहीं सकता. So that's a big challenge. So I can
नहीं कर
do
सकते.
that,
That needs a lot. Yeah, that needs so much of like I can say mental strength.
lot.
Like आप एक बार hospital bed में पहुंच जाओ, you just need that one break to just create a mess in everything, your life, your children's, your family, your relationship, everything just like वो एकदम से shatter होने लग जाता है. तो वापस चीजों को collect करने के लिए take lot of energy. So rather than I always keep on saying कि ask for the support. Even I had that thought कि can I ask the silly question to my physician? Definitely after educating myself a lot, and I was having this minor doubt on myself कि पूछूं नहीं पूछूं, whether to ask or not. But what will happen, at least doctor will say यार क्या पूछ रहे हो, or she will revert something.
Yeah.
You can go and ask in your friends or family where few people are doctors as well. So I didn't ask anyone, but I keep on exploring by myself. But it can definitely I had some knowledge of science, so I was able to relate it. But a normal person who is homemaker, or I can say not having that technical knowledge, it is very difficult for them to take any step.
Absolutely.
So I always advise ki take a expert opinion, then take whatever you need to do in your life.
Very true, because even वो बोलते हैं ना कि these days we women are very much so much into this career oriented mentality, that no doubt career is important. At the same time, the basic fundamental things we have to carry that awareness of those fundamentals when we are pursuing our career. So because वो चीज मैंने नहीं किया था, because I went to a school and then I was doing great in schools, in competition, dancing, debating and everything, and then I went to my career platform and then I was excelling like anything. But then the moment when you enter to a relationship like marriage, उसके बाद समझ में आता है, oh my god, खाना बनाना तो आता ही नहीं है. Or maybe you do not know that when there is a winter season, then what are the food that we need to eat. When there is a summer season, what are the, I mean, you can relate to that, because that's what you have written all that in that particular book, right? So that's the reason, women has to become very aware about that, and like wherever they go, they should take this awareness. And to be very interesting thing has happened, Shweta, today. So today what I did, actually I just posted a question in FB, women's group. I'm a part of a few women's group, and then I just tried this question, because this was I was supposed to meet you today in the evening. So I thought of, why not take some reality check of how women think on this particular question. So I posted a question which I can show you on the screen also. This question is, what's the most important question most new moms have about themselves but are afraid to ask, or are not open about to discuss with anybody, right? And I, within an hour, I think, because it's been 2 hours I posted this question, and I got around 10 answers, and I'm sure that I would be getting many more by tomorrow. So most of the women have, I can read a few. They have mentioned that it is baby care and body image, and then depression, anxiety, weight issues, and they are not they have a self doubt that they would be attractive or not, after this pregnancy and all that. And there were also a few, like, this is a very interesting one. So it says that um, there are a lot of self-doubt that when they can start exercising. I think you have answered that after 6 months, right? And one has written that I want to reduce weight because it was a C-section. Now see, a normal delivery and a C-section are two different approach, right? And then they have also mentioned about the support system. So now my next question is about how what are the challenges this new mom face from different aspect, talking about psychological challenges, talking about physical. We have discussed a bit about the um, but I would request you to, if you can put some more light into that particular topic about the psychological challenges, the emotional challenges, and also the the physical challenges.
Yeah. So I'll start with the physical challenges. Definitely, our body movement get very slow. What happen is delivery itself is a stressful process, a very stressful process. And women throughout the life, she went through this process. Like it is just like giving, not only giving birth, but a birth of a woman itself. So it is a new life for both mother and a baby.
True.
So in that phase, body went through a lot of stress. Even it is your mental, your physical, your body, your every single muscle goes through the stress. When it is a case of normal delivery, it is much more. In
Okay.
case of cesarean, definitely the process is easy. People think like, I have the cesarean, I have more complicated case, but I can definitely say this key, cesarean is a much easier process.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, it is much easier process. You're not, your whole body is not dealing with that distress. And definitely after that, there is the pain, stitches and everything, there is the pain. So yeah,
I
both to face karna hi hai.
because I have gone through those pains after that. It's not that easy to, it takes a lot of months and months uh,
Yeah, to
uh,
heal up.
to heal up. Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
so this is the both condition. Like during normal delivery, a lady faces worst to worst in that phase till the delivery, or even after that also it takes time, but it do not take lot more time, more than 1 month. But in cesarean, definitely that phase of delivery went very easily, like in things started after that.
Mm-hmm.
So in both the cases, physically, definitely body movement goes very slow. Yeah, muscles, they are stretched to every extent. Even during cesarean also, what they do is ki anesthesia dete hain,
Hmm.
or some painkillers are given, so that your mind cannot feel that pain, but your body is having that pain.
True.
Hmm. So those muscles are active, uterus muscles are active, and every part is working like the way it works, but you are not feeling. That is the only difference.
I think the
So
connection lost between the mind and the with that injection, the chemical thing, because you are in
yes,
clinical research, you would understand better, how that
the
disconnect.
simple thing is any painkiller that work is, your mind is not feeling that pain. Pain is there, but you are not feeling it. The
Okay.
sensation has been stopped. Huh. Yeah, so after that, what happened is ki, muscle is relaxed after certain time, like after that it is being like stretch bhi hua or relax bhi hua, so that muscle need to keep on working.
Mhm.
Ek bar it is just like a balloon, आपने उसको blow किया and you have just remove the air or remove a bit of air, so how it will go like saggy. See, this happened with the belly muscle especially.
Okay.
So after that, definitely those muscles need to be active so that they can regain their strength.
Okay.
Strength, one, the muscles are strengthened, then and only your body, your leg muscles need to be strengthened. This calf muscles, this tummy muscles need to be strengthened, so that they can perform, like body function can be performed, particularly daily function can be performed rightly.
Okay. And
So
what about the emotional part that a new mom goes through is very important.
emotional is the major fallback. Like definitely emotional factor, I can say ki first is the feeling of guilt. What happened to me? Why did I took this step?
Shouldn't-
Even I discussed few mother, like what was the feeling you were having in delivery room. So they said very badly ki why did I marry? Yeah. The only last question I had in my brain during the time of that delivery pain, why did I marry? Why did I took this step to make my life hell?
And I think there are many women, they showered their lot of love with their nice languages to their husband, no, during the delivery.
even even I saw like women's they just start shouting, or they just start just fighting there in front of doctors. Few doctors allow husband to go inside. So I have seen that the drastic the changes. So in emotion, definitely people are having that sense of guilt, And I can say blame, self blame is the most important factor. Even okay, ठीक है, I have taken that step, now I'm a mother, people will start projecting you are a responsible one. Even when I start to cry now, my husband used to say, yeah, you're a mother, you're a mother, now you need not to cry, you, how can you be so childish? So it's okay. So does that mean like I will not be having that emotions? No, that is not. So in that phase,
As a mom, right?
expectations, yes, yes, yes. And what we do wrongly is I feel ki we give the remote of our life to everyone's hand. Ki whatever they are saying, just keep on accepting, keep on accepting. Okay, TK, you can switch on that you know, any button and I'll start performing. So likewise,
I can relate to that because at times what happens, even I have experienced that in my pregnancy phase and after that, and also I've seen other new women. तो लोग ऐसा सोचते हैं कि एक मैनुअल मिल जाती है how to become a new mom. It's even the first time for that woman, you know, it's even the first time. कितने बच्चे पैदा कर लिए कि पता होगा, right?
पता होगा, right?
So that's the first, even that's a new experience. And one more thing which I have experienced and seen is the baby becomes very important.
Yes. I can relate this. Actually,
Right?
not the new mom. When a baby get delivered, immediately at that second, even this happened to me also. When I opened my eyes, I saw no one is there. Even doctors also ran away with the kid. I was just like, oh my god, abhi koi to dikh jao. Even when people actually, the worst thing happened to me is after delivery, I got placenta retention. So
Oh,
that took me into the worst situation when the baby is delivered. Okay, now after bearing 23 hours of pain, it is delivered normally and everything is okay. And people have rushed with the baby only. How is the heartbeat, whether she's crying or not, and everything. And I was just lying on the bed. People, like a few nurses and technicians were there. They were giving injection. They were just taking me to the ICU. And I was like, Hua kya hai? What happened? Now baby is delivered. Abhi kya hua? Now what is going to be happen? Like doctor said, ki, we need to take to you to the operation theater. I said,
oh,
oh my, abhi chhod do please. I was literally crying ki koi to mile mere aaspas, like my family members, so that I can ask them ki what happened to me, why they are taking me to the operation theater. And I was just like half conscious or half unconscious kind of situation. So that time I still feel ki yaar baby hone ke baad mein, this is not fair. Even my mom also she was not there. I said yaar ab sabne mere saath mein galat kiya hai. I was dying there and you were not. Anyone is the time when what I cannot, you know, forget in throughout my life. Like this happened. And even I have complained with my mom also ki mom, you also left me. She said ki beta baby to nahi hai na, doctors were there to take care of you, we cannot do anything in that, so we went with the baby. So I said okay theek hai, what to say. Yeah, they keep on expecting you need to be a bit mature enough, like okay theek hai, ho gaya to ho gaya, like that was the need of our.
understand. Yeah, you need to understand that. Ki chalo, yeah, I mean, it's okay. You know, that kind of. Yeah, so people expect, even actually, it's not about the people, rather our family members only, and that to women in our families. They expect, you know, wherein it should be
What happens is ki when you have that good news na, people will be wow, they'll take you into hands like chalo abhi to bahut acha. Everyone, even your mother-in-law will drastically, she'll get changed, your husband will be more caring, your family members. After a certain time, this after delivery, I can say this situation turns 360 degree.
yeah, upside down. True, true,
And
very true.
now we expect like whatever we were getting, we need to get it continuously. No, this is the time I have gone through the worst phase of my life. Now it should be much more. But now it is natural. I cannot say ki someone uh, doing it like intentionally, but it is natural
It
because it is,
happens obviously, yes.
because I can see that into my mother. If my mother is doing that, means it's natural much more, because mother cannot leave their baby. Lekin after that time, okay, she says ki theek hai, aapko jaise bhi hai, now you need to take care of you and your baby. You're living in nuclear family. This is not the scenario like we were used to have
in the extended family. Yeah, joint.
this extended family to joint family to take care of you or anyone else. Now even my doctor said, where is your husband? Bring him to help you to this breastfeeding. Who will take care of your baby? I said, we both are alone. So she said, no, he need to learn everything. He need to get trained along with you so that you both can take care of her.
Absolutely, because the book that you have written, it's not, no doubt, it's a journey of the self experience of that new mom, but the supporting system around has to also be in place so that the journey of that new mom becomes beautiful and fruitful as well. So that's
Right.
what I feel. And one more aspect that you didn't answer is, what is the psychological aspect of that's the emotion aspect. What is the psychological aspect of that happens? Because I've seen many women, even I still remember, because कुछ चीजें ऐसी ना बहुत साल हो गए तो भूल जाती हूँ. It's been 12 years, but I still remember that if couple of days, uh, because of that negligence or whatever, like not being aware about the food and all, and because of lot of deficiency, I had a lot of emotional turmoil as well. And कुछ रीजन नहीं होता है, and then I used to cry. So and then I feel psychological level पे you feel like my one sentence that was literally, in my mind was, mm, I mean, I don't know what next. I don't understand what has happened. I don't know what I'm going to do now, and I'm clueless about my future. ये past,
Good.
present and future, ये तीनों एक साथ, they would be kind of dancing this kind of psychological thoughts and creating a lot of feeling, and then out of that crying. So I
Yes.
went through this kind of. So what are your experiences, or what are the experiences of people, those who have connected with you, like you have helped many women, right? So
Yes.
how was their feedback and how was their reality?
Women's usually, I can say that the phase is continuing after delivery. Now they have gone through physical challenges, emotional challenges, and there is a word called postpartum depression. When
Hmm.
these emotional challenges become more and more, then it took us to the part of depression. People even don't know that they are into that phase. Depression, I can say, they have the feeling of emotional outburst. Every situation they'll be just crying, or they'll be just frustrated, they'll be just not happy. And to the worst cases, people have that feeling of killing their kids.
Oh.
Yes, this is the worst scenario I have seen, like this serious condition of postpartum depression. Even I used to have that thought ki, why do mothers, like how a mother go through this journey after taking a lot of pain, how she can
Okay.
kill her child. I had heard so many stories, like after birth she has left kid there, or someone has killed their kid. So why this happen? Because they have the feeling like this is the reason behind my worst condition, this is the reason behind whatever is going into my life. Now that feeling of love is turning into the hatred.
Hmm.
And
Yeah.
in the worst scenario, they can even harm their own self, or they don't have interest into any relationship. When I say relationship, it directly goes to the husband and wife relation.
Hmm.
They don't have a feeling of talking together. What happened is ki, these are the two different pole. A man cannot understand the feeling of a woman. Can, in any situation they say is ki, I understand, but how one can understand when have not gone through that pain,
Hmm. Hmm.
that feeling. Even after delivery, I say ki, this is not a part of only delivery pain. Also women is breastfeeding a baby. We all matlab try few aajkal there is a trend to give the formula milk and all those things.
Yeah.
But definitely this is the process, and lactation and latching is the most painful, another painful process I can see.
Yes. Yes.
Even I have gone through that worst phase when there was like I can openly say there was a pus formation into my nipples when my daughter used to like I was not latching her properly. And even in India we don't have lactation consultant. Nowadays people are more active and they started consulting. But I was having a bigger question in my mind: what to do, where to go, which doctor to consult, either to go to a gynecologist or to the pediatrician. Then I went to the gynecologist. She suggested me, okay, you were not latching properly. Your position was not correct. That is the reason this happened, and you have got infection. Now, just wait for a few days. Let this wound get healed up, and then latch again. And she allowed me to understand this is the process. Now, this should be the position of baby, and this should be yours position. So these are very minor things, but and
Very
whether to latch while lying on the bed or not. So that lactation process is also that needs guidance and support. And definitely, if we are facing any challenge, we need to talk. I was living with the in-laws. Even my husband went back for this job in Delhi, and I during this process of delivery, I was in Patiala. So what to say? With whom to say? Then I asked my mother-in-law, ki, Mommy, this is the problem I am facing. Please help me what to do. Then she asked my father-in-law. Rather of getting shy and asking this thing, even my father-in-law took me to the doctor. What should I do? That was the need. So we went and had this discussion. Okay, then I come to know this is the process. Rather than overcoming all those challenges, I had a very simple solution to breastfeed with bottle. But okay, I thought, let's take this challenge, and every woman goes through it, so I can also go through it. And likewise, we continued.
one more thing which comes to my mind now is that's the reason, like in earlier days, dadi nani hoti thi, and extended family mein chachi koi na koi, people were there who had quite good amount of knowledge, like a gynecologist,
Yes.
equivalent to घर का gynecologist एक होता था
Yes.
कि you have to hold your baby like this, and it should be very straight in line, and then all that. And then so that ye sara, so that the lactation, the latching process happens in a much organic way and in a much healthier way. And yeah, but these days time has changed, and कोई वैसे न्यूक्लियर फैमिली में कहीं पे ऑक्यूपेशन है तो कहीं पे फैमिली है.
Okay.
And in that process it's very difficult, so it's more important, as I said earlier, कि जैसे मैं अगर if I come back to my story, if I had known, I would not have gone through that phase. So that's the reason this video, so that that's the reason this conversation, so that women out there can watch and learn from our mistakes, so that they do not go through that similar kind of process.
Yes.
So here one more question which comes to my mind is, Shweta, uh, tell me the percentage of women who understands and they are aware about that these are very important things to take care after pregnancy. What would be the percentage of women? You can talk about the percentage of women in the urban areas, or like क्या usually women जानते हैं और नहीं जानते हैं? अगर जानते हैं, then what is the percentage of women that they know that it is important to come back to fitness after this pregnancy or after the baby is born?
I think 70% of females, they know. See, today's challenge is knowledge only. If you have knowledge and you're not applying, then you are not doing justice with yourself. Every woman, I can say that I met hundreds, more than 100 of women in this last 2 months, I can say, during this coaching process. And I asked them, what do you know? What do you do about keeping yourself active and going out of this situation? So they says, I do exercises, I do this, I do that. So they know everything, but definitely the things need to be organized.
Okay.
So they know everything, but they need to be having a organized or a guidance, proper guidance. You need to do diet. I can say some people have half knowledge. Yes, diet from childhood we know, eating less. Connected that word with some definitions, and now we are carrying it. People, the female who has gone through, I can say, miscarriage, for example. I met a lady, she has gone through the miscarriage process. Now she came to me and said, ki, madam, this happened to me just because of overweight. Now my doctor has said, ki, now go and reduce your weight and then plan your next child. What should I do? I cannot do dieting. That will make me weak. I said, Acha, first let me know what is your definition of dieting. She said, ki you'll put me into that restricted feeding pattern and everything.
How?
Huh, huh. So I said, no, I'm not going to prove you this wrong. You are going to prove yourself wrong. Just practice whatever I'm saying. And dieting itself means like eating food in particular manner, in the controlled portion and in the controlled timings. That's it. इसके अलावा कुछ भी नहीं है. And what do you need to do exactly, उनको ये नहीं पता. People have that misconception कि okay, physical exercises will make them slim, going to the gym will make them slim. I tried every single thing. I tried this also. Even after marriage, I used to take Herbalife products, I used to go gym and everything I tried. Lekin I have introduced hardly 1 kg. Then when after pregnancy I reduced 25 kg in 8 months, and I come to know the secret ki okay, 80% is the role of food only, because it is the fuel going inside and body is utilizing it, and the fuel you are burning is the exercise. So you're working on 20% of that part and expecting the results of 80%. How it will work?
Yeah. So when you said about this 80 and 20, let me tell you one thing. It is a Pareto, Pareto was one of the person who introduced this 80-20 rule. That is, you have to work on the 20% to get that 80% result. So exactly, you exercise 20% and you take care of that 80% and you get the result, because because you're focusing on that 80% diet, what exactly to eat, when to eat, and in the proper timing with the proper portion. So
Yeah.
you were talking about Pareto's principle, which
Pareto principle.
I always, when I conduct time management sessions and when I conduct sessions on productivity in corporate, I talk about it. And I think this Mama's Mission Slim Possible, this project of ours, which is a boot camp now, is also that kind of project wherein Pareto principle is going to work great, right? Focusing on this particular 80-20 ratio. So yeah, so my next question is, so if women, they know that it is important, if 70% of women, they know that it is important for to and they want it also, every woman want to look beautiful, and irrespective of their age, and wear good nice saris, dresses, or whatever, look beautiful, wear makeup and all that, then what is stopping them to do? Why are they not taking that responsibility and accountability for their well-being? What is stopping? Because if as I said, like from my experience, for me it was awareness, because अभी अभी मुझे कभी कभी लगता है कि जब मैं स्कूल में पढ़ती थी, घर में, because I am the youngest and I have 3 elder sisters, very, they are like mom to me, very, there's a lot of age difference, and my mom. तो मैं कभी कभी सोचती हूँ कि ये मेरी जो दीदी लोग थे एंड मेरी मम्मी, उन्होंने मुझे एटलीस्ट थोड़ी बहुत नॉलेज क्यों नहीं दिया खाने के बारे में? पैम्परिंग इज वन वे, and making yourself ready for life is another way. I think each new mom also take this responsibility, so that if they know, they can teach, or they can empower their own kid when the right age comes. तो खुद को ही नहीं पता होगा तो फिर वो चीज नेक्स्ट जनरेशन को भी नहीं, क्या खाना क्या नहीं खाना, फिर एक एक्सीडेंटल मेथड में चलेगा कि अरे सब कुछ देती हूँ फिर भी मेरा बच्चा ऐसे हो जा रहा है, that would be again a different issue. So my question is like, why they are not doing then, why they are not taking accountability and responsibility? कहाँ problem है?
I got this answer of my own question. Why do people fail to lose weight? Is habit. So this is the habits are making us, and they are just destroying us. What happened is that after this 1 year of pregnancy, anyhow we come up of this phase. अभी चलो ठीक है, physical challenges थे जिसको उस time पे हो गया कि I need to work now, and now only they just cope up with this situation.
Okay.
And those who accept, those who develop a comfort zone with this, okay, theek hai, this is the life, I need to be like this, I need to take care of kids, my family and everything, even I need to go back to my career, I don't have time for looking of these things, theek hai, ye thoda bahut chalta rehta hai, I'll see it again later on, jab cheezein बढ़ जाएंगी. क्योंकि अभी इतनी ज्यादा नहीं है ना, हर किसी के साथ में, नो वन इज फेसिंग दैट वर्स्ट सिचुएशन.
ट्रू.
सो स्लोली स्लोली,
चल
हाँ,
रहा है एटीट्यूड.
चल रहा है, जब तक चलते रहने देते. ओके, ठीक है. नाउ दे हैव एक्सेप्टेड देमसेल्फ इनटू दैट फेज कि बीइंग अ मॉम आई नीड टू चेंज ना, थोड़ा सा तो बॉडी चेंज होना चाहिए. आई कैन नॉट बी अ बैचलर, आई कैन नॉट लुक लाइक अ बैचलर. सो चलेगा.
Okay.
एंड स्लोली स्लोली दैट निगलेंस, आई कैन से, निग्लेक्ट करते जाने के जो है, दैट टेक्स अ लार्जर फेस, or larger, I can say, ki part into their life later on after 50s or 40s, when your age is going down.
Yes, yes.
Now you are seeing that challenges. I asked them ki what was the time when you gained the weight, when you put on this weight, do you have that hereditary problem, or did you had this after marriage or after baby? So majority says ki after pregnancy. After marriage I put on some weight, but after pregnancy it was drastic, 10 kg, 12 kg, 15 kgs. And thereafter I keep on doing few things, on and off I keep on doing, but abhi tak hua nahi. Now my kid is about to complete 18 years or 20 years, but still I'm like this, and I'm now facing this challenge. Or maybe when I'm trying for second pregnancy, I'm facing this challenge. Now please help me. So वही है कि जब चीजें बिगड़ चुकी हैं, now you are asking doctors to treat and everything, now you're looking for short term solution. Why not to take care of your habits? Roots should be very nurtured, and they should be very healthy to have a I can say a very sweet fruit. So if your roots are rotten, then how you can have the taste of fruits? Wahi cheez hai, you are applying, and slowly I started seeing, even in one study I was watching that what is the ratio of obesity in this India. A WHO study stated that majority of the kids are falling into this
Yes.
scenario.
Agree this. Yeah. Yes.
Adults are getting that adults ratio is getting lower, but kids are falling into that obesity. Around 30% or 45% of whole world population of kids are kids up to the age of like 15, 16, 18, teenagers are falling into this disease.
I would agree this because even in this pandemic situation मैंने देखा कि जो like I have shared that my son is 12 years now, and he is into karate, right? And he is already a black belt, and he's in grade 6, going to be in grade 7. So उसके जितने सारे friends हैं यहाँ पे apartment में, they are in 7th 8th, and कोई छोटा है, कोई age में बड़े हैं. And 3-4 months lockdown के बाद, when things started moving here and there, थोड़ा बहुत बच्चे जाके खेलने लगे, I was not able to recognize many of his friends because entirely vertically and horizontally सबका shape थोड़ा सा change हो चुका है. I don't know what happened during this pandemic time कि सोते रहे कि खाते रहे, I don't know. And then even my son also, though he is into karate, he was practicing, and then I made him to practice Surya Namaskar on a daily basis in the morning, around for 15 minutes. To I convinced him somehow, so he only put around 2.5 kilos, not more than that. And then now it came down because he again started going to karate. So very much true. And one point that I would add here, from like taking your you spoke about this hereditary, so even if it is hereditary, uh, being a mind transformation coach, and also being a Vipassana meditator, if you go a little more detail into this practice, you will know, no doubt you are a offspring, or you're a product of your mom and dad. No doubt that DNA might have come, but then you have the capability of dormanting, or maybe keeping that karma or that habit, and then creating your own new habit, so that this new habit will manifest, and the old one which you have carried from your parents will subside. तो ये ऐसी बात हो गया कि आपको एक सीडी में किशोर कुमार का गाना मैंने आपको गिफ्ट किया, and you said, Prem, say what, Kishore Kumar ka gana I don't like. So you still have the capability of उसको डिलीट करके नया गाना डालो, because I have went through a lot of this health challenges, as I said, disc prolapse and all those deficiency issue. Doctor ने मुझे बोला था, like, your is your father diabetic, Prem Sai? Then no worry, within 5 years you will get diabetic. So वो horoscope सुना देते हैं about your so that's the reason. So again, coming back to this discussion about what is it a mindset that they are not taking into account, if at all? Because I know that laziness or maybe a procrastination would be the reason. Moms are taking this call very late in their life, when चीजें बहुत बिगड़ चुकी होती हैं, and then to take it back, it becomes very difficult and challenge for them. And so is it because of the mindset, or maybe because वो चाहते हैं और या मे बी सपोर्ट सिस्टम नहीं मिला है? सो व्हाट this question is like, what should be the role of that new mom, and also what should be the role of the husband or the new dads? And also I would ask this question, like, what should be the role of the family members? You talk about, even I want this answer in two aspects: what should be the role of in-laws, and also what should be the role of from the maternal, from the mother's side, for that particular woman.
So my answer is support system. Definitely, a husband need to be a very first support, because he is the one who is watching you from the day one. And definitely, you can ask or say anything to him. Whatever you are feeling, you're feeling good or bad, whatever is there in your mind, the one person who can understand after your mother is the husband. And definitely, if you will ask, we feel like sometimes we have that I can say our own thought कि no, he won't understand. और वो होता है ना कि अपना ख्याली पुलाव खुद ही पका के रखा हुआ है अंदर की, ओके ठीक है, assumptions I can say, कि no, he will not understand, how he will help me, how he can do this or that. Ask it, open up and just ask कि okay, this is the support I need, please help me. Then no one says no for it, then he is your husband. And immediately after delivery, when you especially living in a nuclear family, he must be your first support, and thereafter you can go with the maid and another people. But in the case of mother-in-law, rather than going outside, definitely a mother-in-law, she is the dadi, she is the grandparent of kids. Definitely they can take care better rather than maids and all. So, and the difference starts when I also have created few differences in my mind, like she is not my mother, she is my mother-in-law, and few things she has created in her mind, like now she is mature enough, she is responsible enough to take care of her, she knows everything, how can she be this childish, or how she can be responsible or like that. So these differences, when take a broader face, then things started messing up. But definitely I can say first hand should be a husband and next hand should be a mother-in-law. In my case, this was the best what I got help from. And see, she is the experienced one. Definitely she has gone through that phase, and multiple people she has seen in her life. Definitely she knows something better than you. So take advice and do whatever suits you. Body is yours. You know the challenges. Take these advices, and whatever the situation is allowing you to do, just do it.
I think there should be a, one step from this side and one step from that side, so that because when it is a question of mother-in-law, at times what happens, our mom and mother-in-law, they take those, they give those suggestions to us, which was very much relevant and was possible and doable when in that in that those years, earlier days. But now when
Those years.
yeah, but now
Yes.
when a new mom after 3-4 months is ready to hit the office, back to work, at that time, there are certain things where a mom-in-law or a mom or the other supporting system of the family is ready to jump in. And also, there should be a very good understanding of to take that, to give that space to that new mom, because it's not only about the child, it's also about the mom. Because if you take care of that new mom in this phase of life, she will come out very beautifully with a lot of emotional fitness, physical fitness, and psychological fitness. And it is going to, you and the whole family is going to reap that benefit. It's not about only that new mom is going to reap this benefit, because
And then,
if you give
yeah.
that support system in the 6 7 months, or maybe after till 2 years, at least when the child is on its own for 3 4 years. So that time, if you as a new mom, if you understand to your family members, and if they understand you, it would be the best, you can say, relationship that this is the time to bond actually. What do you say?
Yes, yes, definitely. This is the time to rebound, I can say.
Yes.
Definitely, the bonding is very nice when a relationship happened. Like at the time of marriage, everything is sweet and everything is going very smoothly. When we are in worse situation, the things started happening. Even we started making the stories. Okay, I was in pain, she was doing that, he was doing that.
Hmm.
So likewise things goes on, collecting, and I can say the mutual word can fit very well. Mutual understanding is the thing which is required at this phase.
And
And
it
female,
will also, like, we have seen that our mom and our other support system women particularly, those are old in that role of dadi nani, and that particular their sisters, they say that हमारे जमाने में तो ऐसा नहीं होता था.
ऐसे नहीं होता था. So thing is कि whatever people are saying, yeah, granny or mother-in-law, whatever they are saying, see, we have a very different, I can say, generation gap is very having very different exposure. They were having their whole and soul complete life was revolving around the family.
Yes.
Nowadays things has been changed. We have career as well. We have uh, different things to look upon. Now definitely we need some help. Even even I can say कि my daddy or my mother-in-law used to say कि why do you need to keep a maid? Your baby should not be taken care by maid. Rather, you take care of her and drop your career for a while. So I used to have that thought कि my career is not important in front of this kid. Like it's okay. Everything I'm not asking maid to do, but definitely she can help me na, here and there. They have the different perspective, same thing, but we have different angle. This can create a conflict as well, and this can create a solution as well.
At times, I can add here is, at times this new mom, yeah, if they have an option of this financial security, then it's good to take that break. And if you're enjoying, and if you agree to that, that's fine. But these days the scenario has changed a lot. There are many couple, they run the show by working together. If one drops out, it is a big burden and pressure for the husband, you know
Definitely, because our lifestyle is getting changed so much.
huh.
Living in the new this thing, metro cities, we all know. Like financial security is much more important rather than everything which you'll say relationship, anything which will come in. uh, Financially, if you are well off, you can have everything, a better
But
treatment, better, yes, liberty to live the life you want. Definitely. So we all are running behind it. And today's definitely scenario has been changed. Earlier it used to be like male is the one who will go and earn the bread and butter. Nowadays we all are equivalent, and definitely if I have something into my mind that can help me to earn and make our lifestyle better, why not to try, why not to work?
absolutely. And at times, this new mom, they don't have that option rather than going back to work. Because वो भी जैसे मैंने बोला, because if both are running the show and you have bills to pay and the end of the month, then she doesn't have a choice and she has to come back. And there are ways to come back, like your book and like the coaching session. So I think, Shweta, we can talk about the boot camp that we are, ready to, hit in very soon. We will announce and we will share the registration link for that in our description box. So can you talk about it, and so that women, new moms out there can understand the process, and then how a mind transformation coach can help so that they don't fall into the trap of not doing it, and how a person who is into clinical research, who helps these new moms to get their desirable fitness and weight loss.
Definitely. As we collaborated together, one is a mind coach and one is the fitness coach. So I thought this is the very correct combination, because where the people are falling is in the weight management. I'm not completely confining myself to the weight management, but definitely with the other challenges after pregnancy. Mm, so many things, like I can distribute this 40 and 50 ratio. Sorry, 50 and 50 is 50% you need to work up on your emotions, 50% definitely we need to work up on the physical aspects. So when this two things will combine, definitely we'll be having a complete package wherein people like you and me can get the solution, get the answer of all their unanswered question in a very affordable prices. Definitely I'm going to attach this, because before going for the professional consultation, we always have that fear in our mind ki, what she'll charge when I go for the dietitian, what she'll charge when I go for the mind transformation coach. So the whole purpose behind making this project more affordable is so that it can reach to the maximum mothers. We'll be covering both working as well as the non-working professionals in the different sessions, so that they can get benefit separately according to their conditions.
Yeah, and we can take this journey with them so that they can, we will make the transition very smooth for them with our, there are two level of courses. One would be a couple of days, maybe 5 to 6 days program, and then we will take the journey to another 30 days challenge. So
Yeah.
all the details would be there in the registration. We'll just put the link in the description box, and women out there can, just be reachable to us, and we will share our links and our numbers and emails, can write to us. And just it was great connecting with you, Shweta, and a big congratulations for your book once again. And we will also put the link for that book, which is available in Amazon now, and people can just buy it and read it. But then one thing I would like to say is, just reading will not help you unless and
Right,
until
right.
you implement that. And
Implement.
to make that implementation smoother, we are there to help you out. So please reach out to us and fill in the registration form, and be one of the participant to take the challenge for you, because your life is significant for you. Don't you think that your life is significant for you and also for your new baby? So
Yeah.
thank you so much, Sweta, for connecting, and it was great. It was a great conversation. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much for inviting me, ma'am. And even I can say this very proudly, like I'm expanding my arms to the millions of mothers. And definitely this is the mission of mine, to spread out this awareness. Not only awareness, I always work toward getting the results. I just wanted to show them the different aspect of life. Why I'm calling mission Slim Possible is because this is the mission and it is possible. Just try doing it, and you all know the beauty ki when things transform. Why I'm emphasizing to the mothers only, not because I have gone through that phase, just because a female is the queen of a house. She Her goodness of health comes from the kitchen, and goodness of thoughts come from her mind. So she can make the family, she can break the family. So definitely we are on the mission to make them more and more empowered, so that their offsprings, definitely their kids, the next generation can take advantage of this, and we can make the world better.
And you can make them expert in kitchen, and I am there to make them expert in that, mastering their mind with their emotions, and with
Definitely.
with their motivation, and with a lot of inspiration. So thank you so much, Sweta. It was great connecting with you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.